In a world filled with distractions and endless temptations, it's essential to remember that taking control of your spending begins with understanding yourself. Initiate conversations about financial habits within your circle to create a supportive environment. Engage family and friends in discussions about your goals and learn from their experiences. By fostering this community around your financial journey, you'll not only enhance your accountability, but also make the process more enjoyable and effective. Building better money habits is not just about individual effort, it's about cultivating relationships that encourage prosperity. As you embark on this transformative journey, visualize not just your financial goals, but the lifestyle that comes with them. Embrace the idea of accountability partnerships where you and a confidant can share progress, challenges, and victories. Celebrate the small wins together. It could be skipping that impulsive coffee run or discovering a new budgeting app. Imagine how motivating it feels to have someone cheering you on, holding you accountable, and sharing tips along the way. And remember, the journey to financial mastery is not merely about cutting back, it's also about investing in a future that resonates with your dreams and aspiration. As you navigate this journey, keep in mind that each step you take should align with your core values and aspiration. When your financial decisions reflect who you are and what you truly want, you'll find that managing your money becomes not just easier, but also more fulfilling. Celebrate the progress, knowing it brings you closer to a life of financial freedom. As you refine these habits, remember that it's okay to adjust your course as needed. Flexibility is a crucial part of growth. Ultimately, it's about progressing towards a life designed on your own terms, where your financial choices support your dreams and empower you to thrive. As you adopt these new perspectives and strategies, consider tracking your emotional triggers along with your financial decisions. By understanding the feelings that lead to impulsive spending, you can develop healthier responses that align with your values. For instance, when you're feeling stressed, you might opt for a brisk walk instead of online shopping. This simple shift not only safeguards your finances, but also nurtures your well-being. Remember, each small decision compounds over time, leading to significant life changes. Your journey towards financial mindfulness is both a practice and a commitment, one that will serve you in various aspects of your life. Choose to act deliberately and let that intention shape your spending habits moving forward. As you progress further into your financial journey, embrace the importance of celebrating each milestone, no matter how small. Recognizing achievements, such as sticking to your budget for a full month or successfully completing a savings challenge, reinforces positive behavior while bolstering motivation to continue this path. Share your successes with your accountability partner or support group, as this not only enhances your commitment, but also inspires those around you. Remember, building wealth takes time, effort, and consistent action, and it's the incremental victories that ultimately lead to profound transformations in your financial life. As you reflect on your financial habits, remember that change doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey filled with ups and downs. Embrace the learning experience, and don't be too hard on yourself if you stumble. When setbacks occur, use them as opportunities to reassess your strategies and learn what works best for you. Each setback offers valuable insights that can fine-tune your habits and reinforce your commitment. This journey is about crafting a life where every financial decision is a step toward a purposeful and fulfilling future. So take a deep breath, keep pushing forward, and remind yourself that financial independence is not just a destination, it's a continuous process of self-discovery and growth. Ultimately, you are reshaping your relationship with money in a way that honors your true self and your aspiration. As you build this foundation, you'll find the confidence to navigate whatever financial challenges come your way. As you continue this journey towards financial mastery, remember that embracing your unique financial story allows for personalization in your approach. Reflect on past spending experiences, both positive and negative. to gain insights into how they shaped your current habits. Visualizing where you want to be can form a strong motivational foundation, steering your choices in a direction aligned with your dreams. Each thoughtful decision reinforces your commitment to a life where money serves to enhance your narrative, making you the author of your financial success tale rather than a mere participant. Focus on those changes as they propel you towards a brighter financial future where your values and aspiration are harmonized with your spending choices. As we wrap up today's discussion on financial awareness, it's crucial to remember that the journey you've embarked upon is transformative. By understanding your emotional spending triggers and aligning your financial practices with your core values, you're setting yourself up for a life of fulfillment and accountability. Progress takes time, but with each step you take towards mindful spending, you're not just managing money, you're investing in a future that reflects your dreams and goals. Embrace this adventure, and together, we'll achieve lasting financial confidence and mastery over our choices. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Financial awareness is not just a solitary endeavor, but requires a supportive network to amplify your success. Share your aspiration and challenges with those who understand your journey, whether it's friends, family, or online communities. Discussing your goals openly creates a sense of solidarity. As you engage with others, not only will you solidify your resolve, but you may also discover fresh perspectives and innovative strategies that can transform your path. Celebrate the progress of those around you, fostering an environment of mutual encouragement and accountability. This sense of community will enhance your commitment to making the best financial choices. Together, you can inspire each other to take meaningful steps toward achieving financial independence. By remaining vigilant and proactive in managing your spending habits, you become the master of your financial journey. Stay curious and allow yourself to experiment with various strategies. What works for one might not work for another. Continuously refine your approach, seeking out resources that appeal to you and resonate with your goals. As you embrace this evolution in your relationship with money, you'll discover that your financial decisions can lead to greater fulfillment. Cultivating a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity will encourage you to view your financial journey as an opportunity for growth rather than a burden. With these tools at your disposal, you are well on your way to achieving the financial freedom you deserve. As we conclude our deep dive into the psychology of spending, remember that it's about crafting habits that propel you toward the life you desire. Financial control isn't just about what you spend or save, it's a holistic transformation that empowers you to align your choices with your values. By continuously practicing these steps, you'll not only become more mindful of your money, but also cultivate a lifestyle that prioritizes your long-term aspiration. So, take a moment to reflect on your journey thus far, knowing that every little change brings you closer to financial mastery and the fulfillment of your dreams. To sustain your progress, establish regular check-ins with your financial partner or support group to celebrate milestones and reassess your goals. This practice not only reinforces your commitment, but also fosters a healthy sense of accountability and encouragement. Sharing your journey reinforces a culture of positivity, where achievements, big or small, are acknowledged. As you advance, remember that every step towards mindful financial practices strengthens your ability to shape your own destiny, steering you closer to long-term financial success that resonates with your true aspiration and values. As you finalize your journey towards financial awareness, it's essential to recognize that this transformation is a continuous journey rather than a destination. Each step you take not only enhances your financial literacy, but also fortifies your resilience against future spending temptations. The changes you implement today will echo throughout your financial future, paving the way for a life where every dollar you earn is a step towards your personal aspiration. Empowered with knowledge and strategies, you can embrace a brighter financial future aligned with your values. Remember, it's your life, and by mastering your money, You are crafting a narrative of success that you can be proud of. Thank you for being part of this journey towards financial confidence. As you reflect on these strategies, consider incorporating a mindfulness practice into your daily routine. A simple meditation or gratitude exercise can help center your mind and reduce anxiety around finances. By taking a brief moment each day to appreciate what you have and the progress you've made, you can create a positive mindset that supports your financial goals. This mental shift will make it easier to resist impulsive purchases, allowing you to focus more on building wealth and making meaningful investments that align with your values. Embracing this holistic approach will not only empower your financial journey, but also enhance your overall well-being, reinforcing that every step you take is a step towards a more fulfilling and balanced life. Your journey towards financial mastery is characterized by continuous learning and adaptation. The path may present challenges, but each decision you make reflects your commitment to nurturing a better financial future. Embrace each lesson, and with resilience, empower yourself to approach money with intention. As you think critically about your spending habits, celebrate the growth stemming from this process. Trust that with perseverance, clarity will emerge, guiding you to align your financial actions with your dreams and aspiration. Together, let's build a brighter financial future that resonates with who you truly are. Thank you for being a part of this transformative experience. By combining persistence with a proactive mindset, you pave the way for financial freedom. Stay focused on your values, celebrate victories, and foster community support. Financial mastery is within your reach, and by committing to these principles, you can cultivate a prosperous future. Remember, every action you take today lays the groundwork for your financial success story, empowering you to control not just your money, but your life. Thank you for joining us, and together, let's embrace this journey. If this video gave you value, please share it with a friend, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.